Okay, so let's start with the work. Okay, so I'm going to take this thread because my wooden piece is light in color, so I'm not going to spoil color of this wooden piece. I'm going to use this color only, and I'm going to use thread for this. And see, I have a nice hole in this already, so I'll put thread in it. So first of all, we'll just make nice knots with this thread. So let's start. I'm going to cut. I think this much thread is enough. This much is enough. I don't know where is my scissor today, but I'll use this cutter. Oh, that's it. Okay, so first I'm going to insert this thread inside the hole this way, right? Now let's make nice knots out of it. See, simply I'm going to make knots in it. This way I'm going to tie a knot in it. This way. Okay, so out of this I'll make nice braid out of it. Simple braid I'm going to make. So this way. I love it. I love to do DIY. So this way I'll make a braid over here. Anything we can do, you can do. If you wanted to do, these kind of bookmarks, so anything you can take. It's not necessary you can take fine thread, you can take jute thread, you can take let's now see, my braid is completed over here. Now for making this secure, what should I do? I'll just make a knot over here. I'll tie a knot here, this way, a simple knot. It's not a rocket science, any kind of knots. If you know more knots, you can use them as well, but I am going to use this. And now you can see this area. I don't have scissor right now, but later I'll cut this. I'll make this equal right from here. Right now I am just using cutter over here to cut this double thread from here. So afterwards I'll cut this from here first, this way. Now I'll just make all these strands open so that it looks nice. So this way all the strands, I'll just make them separate this way, or if you have comb, so you can use comb as well for making this smooth and nice in texture. And later you can cut this from here for making it equal. I'll cut this later for making it equal from here, otherwise it looks nice like this. Now I'm going to check first of all the smoother sides of this wooden piece. See, this is not a nice area right over here to draw, but this side is smooth, so I'm going to use this side for making my design on it. So let's choose a pen for outline. Oh, it's okay. So I'll use only black pen for outline. Let me check first of all, is it working or not. Otherwise I'm going to, yes, it's working. So I'm going to take any random topic. I'm going to take flowers. So I'm going to add flowers on it. A simple design, as I told you before. I'm going to use simple designs. Randomly I'm going to put flowers on it. So as I told you, I am not going to spoil the texture of the wood actually. So I'm going to make just a random design. You can see it looks like a bookmark, and as I'm going to make a bookmark only. So you can see, first, if you don't know how to draw, you can do one thing. You can take something for stencil. So use stencils as well for the design. So I'm not copying this design from anywhere, just from my mind. What comes in my mind, I'm just going to draw randomly. Just we need to know where and how we need to compose things. That is most important thing. If you compose your things properly, definitely your design look nice and beautiful as well. So as I'm a nature lover, so always I'll take, inspiration from nature only. So I hope this much is enough. Something I'll put over here, like some circles, small, big, and different kind of circles I'll add in it as a nice texture to compose it nicely, so that my bookmark will not look empty. So it's ready. If you know some quotations or something, so you can write nice quotations like read me or thank you, something like this, you can add in it easily. Now it's turn to color it. Yes, so I'm going to choose colors. So as you know, yellow I'm going to put in the center of this flower, and green I'm going to put for the leaves, and as well this green as well. And for the flower I'm going to use red, as my thread is maroon in color. I don't have maroon color, but I am going to use red instead of maroon. So let's see, I can make shades later. So as you can see, these are the brush pens. I am using brush pens. You can use any kind of colors. So as this is a wood only, so on wood we can apply any kind of colors, acrylic colors, brush pens. See, wow, nice texture. See, this way I'm going to fill it with the red color. See, it's your choice if you can do some shading or something, so you can use shading also in it. I told you, I'm going to use only simple colors. So I'm not going to use any kind of shading or something in it. Simply I'm going to fill it. Oh, wow, this looks nice. Now I'm going to use green in the leaves. So this green first. As I told you, I'll use two green colors here. That's why I'm leaving this space in between. This way. Similarly here as well. Now I'm going to use पक्का?
मैंने तो शूट कर दिया.
Ta-da! Now our bookmark is ready. This way I'm going to use.
देखो आप ही नहीं रहे